Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this edit on Capcut PC. It is named the Spiderman edit, but you can just put it on any edits that you want. First, you're going to go to video transitions and you're going to find the pull-in video transition, and you're just going to add that to your videos. Then you are going to add keyframes here. You're going to add a keyframe here, and you are going to scale it up like this. And you're also going to rotate it 12 degrees. And then at the end, you are going to also add another keyframe. And you're going to zoom out a little bit, maybe like this much. And then you're going to rotate it 7 degrees. And you're just going to apply that to all of your videos. You can apply this by copying the attributes, I think. But I'll do that at the end. Actually, I'll do that at the end. I'm just going to right click, show variable speed animations. I'm just going to kind of zoom in a little bit more, and we're going to select this graph here. And we're going to select the cubic out one, like that. Okay. Now let's just close that. Now we're going to copy and paste attributes here, copy, and then here, paste attributes. And then we're going to select paste, and then here as well, paste attributes. Okay, now you are going to add the dance flash effect. So type that in, and I'm just going to place it on top of the video like this. Speed at 31%, and the sharpen is at 8%. And you're just going to copy and paste that throughout your other clips I meant. Then we're going to type in vertical blur. It's under the opening and closing effect. We're just going to place it like here, so it's like only like halfway there. Then you are going to add a keyframe to that. So I'm just going to add a keyframe here. We want the blur to be at 74% first. And then at the end, we're going to put it all the way to 0. Next, you are going to add in the black flash effect. Well, I guess just black flash, this one. And you're just going to apply it to all of it like this. Okay, I forgot you need to do that to the rest of the video. Let me just copy and paste that. And then that is pretty much, hold on. Wait, oh, you're actually going to add black flash too, sorry. Then you are going to adjust the intensity to 13, well, the strength, and the size to 17. And that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.